Fucking hell. Oh. Okay, we got a couple supercars here. They're all looking. Rev it. Oh man, that's so funny. Control all the supercars here. Oh, all right, punch it.